Hello everyone, I am Praveen BR, Assistant Professor, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering from Sai Vidya Institute of Technology, Bangalore. Today, I'll be teaching you how to generate a sine wave, that is digital to analog converter DAC experiment using C programming. Let us analyze the circuit. Before analyzing the circuit, the software used for producing this sine wave is Keel Microvision software. So double click on Keel Microvision software, you get the screen. In the menu bar, click on project. Under project, click on new Microvision project. It asks me to enter the file name. So enter the file name as sine because I'm producing a sinusoidal waveform. Click on save. It asks me to enter the vendor and the device name. So in the search window, I write AT89C51ED2. I choose AT89C51ED2 because this is the device which is compatible for 8051 microcontroller, and this comes under microchip vendor, and this is compatible for my Keel Microvision software. Hence, I choose this and click on OK. And I click on yes because I am producing the waveform using this particular software. I have to enable the editor window. The enabling of the editor window is done with the help of going to the file menu. Under file menu, I choose new. This enables the editor window. I type the program. Here I am generating 13 step signal. So these are the 13 values which are given to the port 0 so that it generates a sinusoidal waveform. After typing the program, I go to file menu. I click on save as, and here I write the file name as sine.c because the extension file for C programming is .c. Hence, I write the name as sine.c and click on save. Now, I set the crystal frequency of this particular program. So, right click on target 1, select options for target. Under crystal frequency, I type 11.0591. In the same window, I click on output, tap, I click on create hex file, I check it, and I go for OK. Here I have to link the file which I have created to the project. So I expand target 1. Under source group 1, I choose add existing file to the group. I select sine.c and click on add once and press close. Now let us do compiling. First, I will click on translate icon which says whether there are any errors. In the build output, you can observe that there are no errors, there are no warnings. I click on build. This creates a hexa file. Next, I link this hexa file to the project by pressing rebuild. After we finish this, I'll go to debug window. In the debug, I click on start stop debug session and press OK. Here I'm going to observe how to produce a sinusoidal waveform. In this window, we come to the third row where you can find analysis window. There is a drop down menu for this analysis window. So click on the drop down menu and select the first option, logic analyzer. Once you find logic analyzer, you have to see that there is y-axis, there is x-axis. You have to set up the port. So in the left corner of the logic analyzer, you find setup. In this current logic analyzer signal, there is add and delete. You click on new. It asks me to enter which port you have selected. I have selected port 0. So I click on port 0. After this, I press close. Now, ask me to enter or run the program. So I press F5. After pressing F5, I click on into and I zoom out and observe the waveforms. So when I zoom in and zoom out, I can observe a 13-step signal that is being produced by the waveform. So let us observe it. By pressing zoom out and zoom in, we can observe how a sinusoidal signal is produced or generated. So you can observe here, this is the signal. So by zooming out, I will observe the waveform much clearly. Keep pressing zoom out so that you can observe the waveform much clearly. So this is the sinusoidal waveform, what you can find in the signal. So let us clearly observe the sinusoidal signal by zooming in and zooming out. I take a part of the signal. Run the program completely for few seconds so that you can observe the waveform clearly. So you can clearly observe here, these are the steps that you find. There are 13 steps to 6 steps on the left hand side, 6 steps on the right hand side with topmost step. So this is a 13-step signal that is being generated by sinusoidal waveform. Thank you for watching this.